We are back with 20 coolest car gadgets on Amazon you will need in 2026. So without further ado, let's get started. Upgrade your driving experience with this head-up display that ensures focus on the road while accessing vital information. Linking to your phone through Bluetooth, it integrates smoothly with your favorite navigation apps, offering immediate notifications and text without compromising safety. It boasts a sleek design that seamlessly fits into any car interior, enabling hands-free phone calls. Installation is a quick process, taking mere seconds. Explore additional features like side and rear view cameras with wide angles, robust weatherproof bodies, and night vision capabilities for clear visibility in darkness, making every drive safer and more enjoyable. Experience seamless cellular connectivity, even in the most remote areas with this signal booster. Consisting of three crucial components: the outside antenna, signal amplifier, and inside antenna. This gadget amplifies and distributes the improved signal throughout your vehicle. The installation package includes all the essentials for a hassle-free setup. Adding to its convenience, the booster features a built-in USB port for charging your phone. Suitable for any vehicle type, be it cars, trucks, or vans. Simply place the booster under the seat, conceal the cables, and enjoy a strong signal, and even have access to 5G networks. Introducing an efficient car dryer that you'll love to own. This compact device swiftly dries your car, leaving it ready to roll in minutes. Beyond interior drying, it's perfect for blowing away hood dust and cleaning wheels. Featuring a 10-foot hose and 3 versatile nozzles, this dryer provides exceptional flexibility. Select from 3 temperature levels to suit various materials. With its low noise and twin filter system, this blower operates quietly and efficiently to get the job done. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's incredibly user-friendly and easy to store. No more fuel shortages. Bid farewell to the hassle of refueling your car on the road with TerraPump. Easily install it on your fuel can, insert the nozzle into your gas tank, and press the button to start the process. Enjoy a smooth transfer of 2.5 gallons per minute, and the pump automatically stops when the sensor detects a full tank. This versatile device can also so efficiently refuel your bike, lawnmower, and gas generator, making the process easy and mess-free. As a driver, ensuring you are ready for unforeseen road emergencies is crucial, and that's where this compact multi-tool comes in handy. Designed for car accidents, it features a glass breaker to help you in quick exits and a built-in belt cutter for situations when the safety belt is compromised. For swift access, consider clipping this essential tool directly onto your safety belt. Discover an innovative tire inflator that features a unique slime sealant that proficiently repairs punctures up to 1/4 inch from the inside. This effective slime repair can endure over 500 miles, allowing ample time to safely reach a tire repair facility. Beyond its puncture repairing capability, this inflator functions like a regular one. Simply plug it into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with the push of a button. The built-in digital display enables real-time tracking of tire pressure. And for excess air, there's a dedicated deflate buttons solely for that purpose.